Got my steamer basket. Got my Hargao from Costco. And we're just gonna put a few in here. And let this cook. Alright, so I steamed them for about 5 minutes. Just pulled them out. I have a Coca-Cola Saib request of a carbonated beverage. And I have liquid aminos that I'm just going to put on here. I don't have any chili sauce. Like, chili oil would be really good on these, but what are you gonna do? And I'm using these chopsticks my friend Matt got for me when he was in Japan, and it has my name in Japanese on it right there. Custom, baby! Alright, see? I hope these are cooked. You know, the combination burns. So these are actually so good. My friend gave them to me because she got them from Costco and she didn't like them. But they're so good. They came with like a chili sauce or something, but my other friend said it wasn't good, so I didn't take it. I was like, just keep it. And then later on, my friend who said it wasn't good said he tried it again and he said it was not that bad. So, whatever. Anyway, we don't have it. Excuse me. It's Thursday, y'all. It's like the little bubbles are dancing. Also, shout out Kurt. Hi. I just showed you how I steam these, okay? There's really nothing to it. I try to do very easy stuff. So I watch a lot of videos. You know how there's a lot of videos where people eat, they take bites and then they cut it, take a bite and they cut it instead of like chewing it all the way and swallowing. And then all the comments are always like, oh, they're not eating it, oh, this is not whatever. So when you're watching like mukbang videos and stuff like that, do you prefer to watch people eat and chew and swallow and the whole process? Or do you prefer just to see them take all the big bites or whatever they're doing and then cut, cut, cut? I like both. And I don't really care if they're spitting their food out. I don't think they are, but I don't really care either. I just think it's fun to see them take the bites. Excuse me. So, I am working on a burping compilation video, y'all. I know it's been a request for a while, and I'm working on it, okay? So yesterday, I guess there were fires in California, and so the wind was blowing all the smoke over here. But today is much clearer and much better. Alright, last one, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. The ice is in the way to drink it. Oh, I had the like window open back there, so the lighting just changed. So now I look like kind of crazy. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'll see you guys later. Bye!